Hello everyone, we are going to learn something new today. So fashion has a rich vocabulary that reflects its diverse elements. So here we are going to learn about the fashion terms. Fashion terms or fashion terminology is the basic thing every design student should know. And these are the vocabularies for the fashion industry from the design studio to runway to retail stores. And we can say it like these are the fashion related words that differentiate the fashion talk of the common man from the fashion elite. We can call it the fashion jargon. So some of these words are common terms but some are unfamiliar and technical. So we can start to learn from a simple terms which we can use regularly. Fashion is the most common term. We are using it regularly. So fashion has two elements. First one is accepted by many people and acceptance for a relatively short period of time. If a garment is accepted or worn by a lot of people, it becomes a fashion. So fashion is not a long term. It's also in a short period of time. When a new style comes in the market, the fashion changes time to time. So it is a most common term. We are using it regularly. Next one is style. Personal style or individual. So in the fashion world, style is usually shorthanded for personal style or on the way an individual express themselves or themselves through aesthetic choice such as their clothing, accessories and hairstyles, and the way they put an outfit together. Style is also known as aesthetic. We style our garments for aesthetic purposes or to express ourselves in every occasion, different occasion like that. So style represent yourself. Fad, a temporary or passing fashion, a short-lived fashion. The popularity fades pretty fast after a burst. Classic is a long-term fashion. Haute couture, high-end and custom-made fashion, which is tend to associated with exclusive designers. It's mostly designed for a particular individual customer. Next is pret-a-porter. So it's called ready-to-wear clothing. It produces massively and it's available off the rack. Silhouette is a shape or outline of a garment. Avant-garde, innovative and experiment fashion that pushes the boundaries. Here the designer designs a garment which is not imaginary. We can't imagine how they design that. It's out of the box. So next is recycle fashion. We can recycle this fashion garments from textile waste or other waste. We are regularly use or we are while throwing it away, it will affect our environment. So we can convert it like fibers or fabrics, and we can use it for our regular garments. So classic is a term which we known for long term fashion. So for example, saris and denim coats. So collection is more often used in high fashion. A secondary line consists of a less expensive group of styles made by manufacturer and sold to the different market than the primary line, usually held twice a year in spring and summer and fall and winter. So finally we are concluding with the quote, fashion is the universal language of soul. So if you want to express your soul, if you want to express yourself, you can use fashion to express yourself to the world. So thank you so much for listening to me.